Miro is making waves in the online collaboration space, but is it really the best whiteboard platform out there? Today we're diving into its features, user experience, and whether it truly lives up to the hype. Miro is designed as a digital whiteboard platform that facilitates brainstorming, planning, and collaboration in real time. It's packed with features like sticky notes, drawing tools, and templates that cater to teams of all sizes, from startups to larger enterprises. One of the standout aspects is its intuitive interface, which makes it relatively easy to jump in and start collaborating without a steep learning curve. Users can create boards for various projects, integrate with tools like Slack and Google Drive, and even utilize pre-made templates to get started quickly. However, while the functionality feels robust, there are areas that might leave some users scratching their heads. For instance, the sheer number of features can be overwhelming at times, and finding specific tools can feel a bit like searching for a needle in a haystack. Overall, while Miro seems to cater well to creative teams, those looking for a straightforward whiteboard experience might find it a bit cluttered. On the plus side, Miro's collaborative features are top-notch, allowing multiple users to work simultaneously, which is great for remote teams. The variety of templates can save time and spark creativity. However, there are some drawbacks. The pricing structure can get a little steep for smaller teams, especially if you need access to advanced features. Additionally, some users have noted that the platform can feel a bit laggy during high traffic sessions, which could be frustrating when you're in the middle of a brainstorming session. Also, while it's feature-rich, the learning curve for new users can be a bit daunting, which might deter those just looking for a simple whiteboard solution. So if you're a casual user, you might want to explore simpler alternatives. In summary, Miro is a powerful tool for teams that thrive on collaboration and creativity, but it might not be the best fit for everyone. If you're part of a larger team that needs advanced features, it's worth considering. However, for those seeking a straightforward whiteboard experience, you may want to look elsewhere.